Okay, so let's go ahead and prove the distance formula today. Okay, shouldn't be too bad. The distance formula states that, okay, given 2 points, x1, y1, and x2, y2 in the plane, Cartesian plane, okay, the distance between the points is given by, okay, we're going to have, we'll call it d, is equal to the square root of x1 minus x2 quantity squared plus y1 minus y2 quantity squared. Okay. All right, this should not be that hard at all. Let's go ahead and prove this statement. And let's establish a coordinate system and put our points in the first quadrant without loss of generality, right? Keep things nice and simple. So here is x1, y1. Here is x2, y2. All right, we want to find the distance here, so we're going to call that d. Okay, so this would be x1. This here would be x2. This here y1, and this here y2. We do have here a right triangle, which means I'll be able to use, you guessed it, the Pythagorean Theorem. This here is x2 minus x1. This here is y2 minus y1. So if I call this t1 and t2, I have t1 squared plus t2 squared is equal to d squared, according to the Pythagorean theorem. Okay, but as you can see, t1 is equal to x2 minus x1. So I'm going to have x2 minus x1 all squared plus t2 is y2 minus y1 all squared is equal to d squared. And we're done. We just have to take now the square root of both sides. Obviously, the positive square root is the only one we're interested in because we want to consider the distance to be a positive value. So not too hard to do that. I know that the viewer has seen the distance formula, probably having used it thousands of times without even considering its origin. It's good to know not only how mathematics works, but also why it works. I hope you found this video to be helpful. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, concerns. We always appreciate recommendations for future content. Have a great rest of your day, and we will see you in the next video.